BMW Certified, Clean Carfax. No accidents, cold weather package, convenience package, premium package, recent BMW of North Haven trade-in, and sport package. Here at BMW of North Haven, we try to make the purchase process as easy and hassle-free as possible. We encourage you to experience this for yourself when you come to look at this wonderful-looking 2011 BMW 3 Series. New Car Test Drive called it among the sportiest, most enjoyable cars in a class full of good cars. All remain benchmarks for overall performance, and none exacts a significant toll in efficiency, practicality or comfort. BMW Certified Pre-Owned means you not only get the reassurance of up to a 6 years 100,000-mile limited warranty, but also a multi-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance,